What's up, everyone? We might be a little late to the Donruss party, but we're trying to fit it into our busy schedules of working full-time jobs and whatnot. We got 2 boxes, one each, one auto, one mem, a bunch of cool inserts.
A few moments later.
All right, let's start with stack 1. Got Hunter Henry, Austin Eckler, Cortland Sutton. Oh, jeez. Ed Oliver, Jonathan Joseph, James Morgan, rated rookie. Kind of a cool canvasy feel. George Kittle, Action All Pros. George Kittle back-to-back. Donruss 2000. Eno Benjamin, Carson Wentz, LaDainian Tomlinson, Stephen Gilmore. Joe Sherbert, Stephon Diggs, Ty Hilton, TJ Watt, Press Proof Red. Lawrence Taylor, Legends. Ted Hendricks, Legends of the Fall. John Hightower, Patty Mahomes, Adam Thielen, Sterling Shepard, Willie Snead, Miles Jack, Robbie Anderson, filler card, Mark Andrews, numbered 83 out of 100. Chrome press proof, or to be silver. Brandon Ayuk, Aaron Donald, Donruss 2000. Alshon Jeffrey, Lynn Bowden Jr., rated rookie, Randy Moss, Lawrence Taylor. Jalen Ramsey, Tyree Williams, Darren Wallace, Zeke, Gridiron Kings. It's got a cool another canvasy. You can kind of see the texture there. Kind of looks like a painting almost. Joe Thomas, Power Formulas. Zach Bruce, inducted. Hall of Fame card. Chris Jones, Damon Arnett, Russell Wilson, Michael Thomas, Deebo Samuel, Tannehill, Jamal Adams, Patrick Peterson, red press proof. Dominators, Larry Fitzgerald. Drew Brees for the 2000. Ross Blacklock, Minka, Shaquille Griffin, Cameron Jordan, Cole Holcomb, Dwayne Haskins. Is this our first hit? Yep. Adam Vinatieri for the Colts. Most career field goal attempts. It's a 19 out of 35. Matt Ryan, press proof. Oh, sorry. Not a press proof. 299 out of 500. Josh Allen, Elite Series. Tyreek Hill, the champ is here. Joe Mixon, and rated rookie, T. Higgins. Stack 2. Bernie Kosar, Nick Chubb, O.J. Howard, Walter Payton, David Montgomery, rated rookie, canvas, Jake Luton, Chase Young, Redskins, Michael Thomas, Noah, I'm not even going to try that one. Jack Lambert, Philip Lindsay, Jalen Smith, Deshaun Watson, Buda Baker, Kerryon Johnson, red press proof, KJ Osborne, Elite Series rookies, Devin Duvernay. It's kind of a cool, what do you call it, lightning bolt or Juju Smith-Schuster highlights. Antoine Winfield Jr., Aaron Rodgers, Melvin Ingram, Keenan Allen, Noah Fant, Kenny Stills, Todd Gurley, Justin Tucker, 55 out of 100. Baker Mayfield, Dominators. Adam Thielen, Jerome Baker, rated rookie, Justin Jefferson. Kyler Murray, Donta Hightower, Marlon Mack, Devin Singletary, all-time king, Gridiron Kings, Jonathan Ogden. Have another canvasy painting looking one. Elite Series, DK Metcalf, Kind of that lightning bolt again. Warren Moon. It's been a long time since I heard that name. We got here Kenneth Murray, Brett Favre. Matt Judon, Malcolm Jenkins, Marquise Brown, Gardner Minshew, Jim Kelly, Ben DiNucci, press proof, rated rookie. Tre'Davious White for the Bills. Action All Pros. Juju Smith-Schuster. Logan Wilson. Tom Brady for the Buccaneers. Harrison Smith. Evan Ingram. Josh Jacobs. Josh Allen. Curtis Samuel. Justin Herbert, 409 out of 500, rated rookie. Legend Series, Warren Sapp. Jim Kelly, Legends of the Fall. Chase Peters, Michael Perrine. And Jason Kelsey for the Eagles. Is our other hit? All Pro Kings, 192 out of 299. Single color piece of napkin there. Kind of with that painting looking picture. And last stack. Let's see what's left in here. Raheem Mostert, Jared Allen, Jimmy Garoppolo, Tyler Higbee, Marcus Allen, Tua, rated rookie on the canvas. That's kind of cool. DeAndre Swift, Russell Wilson, Xavier McKinney, Tyrann Mathieu, Chris Carson, Taysom Hill. A.J. Brown, Jameson Crowder, Patrick Mahomes, Adam Thielen, press proof, Brian Urlacher, J.J. Watt, road to the Super Bowl. Cole McDonald, Juju, Odell Beckham, Mike Evans, Jacob Hollister, Trent Williams, Adrian Peterson, Christian McCaffrey, 6 out of 75, die cut press proof. DJ Moore, Dominators. DJ Moore again, back to back. CJ Uzomah, LaVisca Chenault Jr., rated rookie. Michael Gallup, Dak, Luke Kuechly. Patrick Peterson. Allen Robinson. Joe Burrows. Rookie Gridiron Kings on that canvas print. Elite Series rookies, Brandon Ayuk. Anthony Hitchens, the champ is here. Harrison Bryant. Devin Bush. Joey Bosa. Steve Atwater. Melvin Gordon. Trey Flowers. Larry Fitzgerald. Von Miller, red press proof. CeeDee Lamb, the rookies. Lamar Jackson, Donruss 2000. Jason Huntley. AJ Green. Mohamed Sanu. Jared Stidham. Grady Jarrett. JJ Watt. DeAndre Hopkins. Laviska Shenault Jr., 46 out of 100, rated rookie. Marlon Mack, Elite Series for the Colts. Lamar Jackson, most rushing yards in a season by a quarterback. And we have Mike Gesicki and DJ Dallas, rated rookie. Well, that's it for box 1. We'll see what my buddy gets on box 2.
All right, here goes box 2. All right, here we go. We got Von Miller, DeMarcus Lawrence, Zeke, Joe Schobert, Stephon Diggs, Henry Ruggs III, rated rookie canvas, Aaron Rodgers, Dominators, Kenny Galladay, Jordan Brooks, Jerome Baker, Mike Williams, Peyton, Miles Jack, Robbie Anderson, Michael Thomas, press proof rated rookie red, Tyler Johnson, Elite Series rookies, KJ Hamler, Retro Series Julius Peppers, Brett Favre, Mark Andrews, Chase Winovich, Sony Michel, Terrell Williams, Darren Waller, Kenyon Drake, Joshua Kelly, the rookies, Aaron Rodgers, and Tom Brady. Rated rookie Isaiah Simmons. Kirk Cousins. Daniel Jones. Ryan Tannehill. Jamal Adams. Jalen Ramsey. All upside down. Patrick Mahomes. Gridiron Kings. Legend Series, John Elway. Legends of the Fall of Russell Wilson. AJ Apencia. Jason Peters. Nick Bosa. Eric Hendricks. Leonard Williams. Cole Holcomb. Dwayne Haskins. I forgot to print that one. Steve Atwater. Press Proof Red. Deshaun Watson. Dominators. Patrick Mahomes. Jeremy Chin with 2 N's. Tyrann Mathieu, Jerry Rice, Drew Brees, Kerryon Johnson, Walter Payton, David Montgomery, Darius Leonard, Press Proof Silver. That one's 59 out of 100. Teddy Bruschi, Power Formulas. Inducted, Steve Hutchinson. Juju Smith-Schuster. And a Tua rated rookies. Jimmy Garoppolo. Harrison Smith. Evan Engram. Kenny Galladay. Anthony Miller. Colin Johnson, rated rookie canvas. Cole Kmet. The rookies. Michael Thomas. Darrell Taylor. Or is it Darrell? Geno Atkins. Raheem Mostert. Jared Allen. Calvin Ridley. Barry Sanders. Christian Kirk. Colin Johnson, Press Proof, rated rookie. Elite Series rookies. Cam Akers. George Kittle. Derek Brown. Devontae Parker. Jacob Hollister. All upside down. Chris Carson. Taysom Hill. Josh Allen. Will Fuller. Hunter Henry. 290 of 500. Josh Jacobs. Dominators. Adam Thielen. Devontae Adams. James Morgan, rated rookie. Joey Bosa, Steve Atwater, Trent Brown, Derek Carr, and a Power Formula, Randall McDaniel. Sticker auto 3 of 99. With a Dak Prescott 138 of 500 behind it. Steve Young, Legend Series. Legends of the Fall, Rob Gronkowski, Patrick Mahomes, Jonathan Taylor, rated rookie, Odell Beckham Jr., Mike Evans,
Peyton Manning, Tre'Davious White, Phillip Rivers, LaDainian Tomlinson, All-Time Gridiron Kings, Elite Series Cortland Sutton, Retro Series John Elway, Terrell Lewis, Aqib Talib, Melvin Gordon, Michael Gallup, Dak, D.D. Westbrook, Julius Peppers, Joey Bosa, Press Proof, Brian Edwards, the rookies, Juju Smith-Schuster, Jedrick Wills, and Carson Wentz. Mark Ingram, Mohamed Sanu, Jarrett Stidham, Le'Veon Bell, Cooper Kupp, Jordan Love rated rookie canvas. It's a cool card. Tom Brady, Dominators, Russell Wilson, Devin Assisi, no idea. Alshon Jeffrey, Calais Campbell, Blake Martinez, Terry McLaurin, Jayden Brown, Derrick Henry, Dak Prescott, Press Proof, Antonio Gates, Power Formula, Road to the Super Bowl, Patrick Mahomes, call him Albert, Chris Jones, George Kittle, Kyle Rudolph, Darius Slayton, Eddie Jackson, Khalil Mack, Randy Moss, 28 of 84. Pretty cool card. Lamar Jackson, Action All Pros. DJ Moore, Minka Fitzpatrick, Jake Luton, rated rookies. Emmanuel Sanders, Chandler Jones, Danny Amendola. This appears to be our patch. Isaac Bruce. 253 of 299. T. Higgins, Rookie Gridiron Kings. Elite Series Zach Moss. Damian Wilson, the champ is here. KJ Osborne, Joe Mixon. Shaquille Barrett, DK Metcalf, Marshawn Lattimore, Julio Jones, Warren Moon, Press Proof, Aaron Donald, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, the rookies, Lamar Jackson, Tristan Wirfs, Jack Lambert, Jarvis Landry, Ronald Jones 2, T.Y. Hilton, Ed Oliver, Jonathan Joseph, and Derrick Henry, Press Proof, looks like a gold one, 5 of 25. Elite Series Aaron Rodgers, Michael Thomas, highlights, Aaron Rodgers, and Michael Pittman Jr., rated rookies. All right, that does it for 2020 Donruss. Thanks for watching.